Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes mascara. This is a dual-ended mascara which has one side for volume and one side for curl and length. I have been using this mascara for at least 4 or 5 years. It is one of my favorite mascaras to use, especially when I want to do a really high impact eye look and I want my mascara to really be packed on and give my lashes the length and the volume that I would normally get by applying false lashes. So this is it here. This is the curl and length one. This is here. So it's quite a hard, rubbery, thick brush as opposed to the soft, fluffy ones that you see quite often. The color is jet black. It's a very, very beautiful, perfect dark black that you want to see on your lashes, especially as somebody who has dark hair. I want something to enhance that darkness. It's very good for sensitive eyes. Huda Beauty are vegan and cruelty free, and it doesn't look clumpy no matter how many layers you apply on at all. So mum really loves that chunky, clumpy mascara look where there's, that thickness and volume in it, whereas I prefer a more thin and long lash. However, if I can get volume in that thin and long lash, I'm all for it, and this really gives me that. I'll show you how I apply it and how it looks on my lashes, and I'll show you a side-by-side comparison of both my eyes and how much of a huge difference it makes to my natural lashes. So I'll show you how I apply it. I start with the volume end first, and I not only push the brush up, but I also close my eyes on the brush. That just ensures that I have extra coverage on the lash, and it makes them thicker faster essentially. So what you can see on my eyes is just a little bit of eyeshadow, and I apply it with a concealer brush. So that's one side compared to, and that's just the volume side. So next I'll go in with the length and curl, and this is what will really make them look nice and long, and it'll just change the look of my whole entire eye. And I like to fan out the edges just so it appears wider from the end. Okay, so that's it there. I hope you found this little review show and tell informative, and I hope that if you do decide to purchase this, you are as impressed as I was by this product. Let me know what you think of it, and thank you for watching.